Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nankhatai biscuits at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina, and 2 tablespoons of graham flour. For richness, have 1/2 cup of ghee and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar ready. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. These ingredients will create delicious, crumbly biscuits. Now, let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the 1/2 cup of ghee and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, sift in the 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina, 2 tablespoons of graham flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add the 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. Gently mix until a soft, cohesive dough forms. Avoid overkneading to maintain a tender texture. With your dough ready, it's time to shape our Nankhatai. Divide the dough into approximately 12 to 15 equal portions, each about 1 inch in diameter. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then gently flatten it slightly with your palm. Arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until the edges turn light golden brown. Once baked, your Nankhatai will be soft. It's crucial to let them cool completely on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack. As they cool, they will firm up and develop their signature crumbly texture. These delightful biscuits are perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain their deliciousness. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.